Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit screenshots using Canva. Whether you're polishing up images for a presentation, need to highlight something important for work, or just want to make those screenshots a little more eye-catching for your social media, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn an ordinary screenshot into a polished, professional image in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Canva, either by opening the app or navigating to Canva.com in your web browser. If you don't already have a free account, you'll need to create one. But the good news is, signing up only takes a minute or two and gives you access to a huge world of creative tools. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the big Create a Design button, usually up in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Instead of picking a preset template, we're going to tailor this workspace to fit our needs, so choose Custom Size. For today's example, let's set the dimensions to 100 by 50 pixels. Now that's quite small, so if you're working with a big screenshot, you might want to enter larger numbers, but for this demo, we'll keep it 100 by 50 to illustrate the process. Once you've entered your custom size settings, just hit Create New Design. Canva will instantly whip up a blank canvas for you, ready to be filled with your screenshot and edits. It's like getting a fresh piece of paper to start doodling on, but a lot more powerful. Now direct your attention to the left-hand bar. This is where you'll see different tools like templates, uploads, and elements. Click on the Elements tab. This is your creative toolkit. Here you can search for anything from shapes and lines to stickers to photos, pretty much anything to zhuzh up your design. For our purpose, though, let's focus on adding our own screenshot. At this point, you'll want to actually take a screenshot. If you're on Windows, you might use the snipping tool or just hit Print Screen. On Mac, Command-Shift-4 is a good bet. Save that screenshot somewhere you can easily find it, maybe your desktop. Head back to Canva, and now let's bring that screenshot in. You can either drag and drop your image straight onto the canvas, or you can go to the Uploads option on the sidebar, hit Upload Files, and select your screenshot file. Canva takes care of the rest, putting your image right into your workspace. Sometimes you might want to keep the original intact and make some edits on a fresh page. In Canva, you can add a new page to your design by clicking the plus icon below your current page. This is useful if you want to show a before and after or just experiment with different edits. Once your screenshot is on the canvas, simply click to select it. Now comes the fun part, editing. Canva's got this nifty feature called Magic Grab. Click the image, find Magic Grab in the upper bar, and give it a whirl. Magic Grab helps you isolate or move key elements within the screenshot, almost like peeling a sticker off a sheet. It's great for highlighting specific sections, moving bits around, or cleaning up your shot, and it's surprisingly intuitive once you give it a try. That's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to take a screenshot, upload it to Canva, and use tools like Magic Grab to give it a professional polish. Remember, you can get as creative as you like. Add arrows, highlight text, drop in stickers, or adjust colors. The more you play around, the more confident you'll get. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Got any questions or want to share your own Canva tips? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more simple, time-saving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.